Hi, Tayabazedi from Spirit House when mentally favors the motion. In today's world, when technology is penned as the savior of education, let us not be swept by the fleeting endure of screens and apps. Let me tell you one thing that traditional learning with its time testing methods remains the cornerstone of intellectual growth, discipline, and of course, a true understanding. The great philosopher Plato once said, "We are twice armed if we fight with faith." And today, I fight with faith and the enduring powers of traditional learning. And I'm gonna dismantle the hollow promises of e-learning with its unyielding convictions. Now, I'm gonna share some of my views in the favor of this argument today. The discipline and structure of traditional learning thrives in a fixed schedule. It thrives in a fixed schedule that instills discipline and regularity in students. Let me tell you one thing that classrooms operate as well-oiled machines with timetables ensuring that each and every student should attend the lectures consistently, fostering a sense of responsibilities and time management, one of the most important things, which is time management. In contrast, this so-called e-learning has often lacks the rigorous students, those who can log into their own convenience from the classes. Let me tell you one thing. I would like to give one example to you all. During the COVID-19 pandemic, I actually observed many students, like maximum students, they were scrolling Instagram reels during their classes. They were playing games when the classes were going on, and they were just simply zoning out of the class to their own convenience. I just want to ask one thing, especially from my opponents, that how can we expect grit and focus from students, which is actually needed for success? How can we expect? Now, one of my favorite method, which is the Blackboard method. Simple yet profoundly effective, remains unmatched. Let me tell you one thing, it basically allows the teachers to break down complex concepts in real time and adapting students' reaction and of course questions. Scholars throughout history, just think of Einstein, just think of Ramanujan, or just keep thinking of Rabindranath Tagore, thrive in a fixed environment, in a physical environment. Basically, physical demonstration in chemistry or physics lab brings concepts to life that Instagram reels or YouTube videos can never. I just want to ask one thing, that how can we expect, I just want to ask that, can a 15-second reel actually replicate with the awe of a real experiment? Can it be? I don't think so. Now, let me tell you one thing. Due to e-learning, physical as well as mental health is affected. It is affected because e-learning is totally dependent on gadgets that increase the screen time, causing eye strain, headache, and even though long-term vision problems. It actually happens. Thank you, and I hope you all have a productive day. Thank you.